Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, I have a Tonic Craft Kit to share with you today. This is number 35, which is Rustic Rose. Now, I was hoping that they would have already posted next month's kit. They normally do. So hopefully it's going to post in the next day or so. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated, and any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, here's the box. One thing I love is when they ship these out, these always go FedEx, so I usually get it the next day. I've been sitting on this one for a couple of days. But the collection in this one is called Rustic Rose this month. Like I said, I was really hoping to see the unboxing of the next month's kit, but Tonic hasn't posted that yet. So I'll keep waiting. Anywho, so right now, this is kind of like a sampling of some of the artwork that they've put out for this kit. So purchase a monthly or quarterly subscription and receive, yeah, you get 10% off any purchases through Tonic. And I guess let's start with the paper. Let's get out of here. You'll be proud of me. I've already like pre-opened everything, so you don't have to suffer through me trying to cut things open. Let's see. Gotta grab it all. It's not all wanting to come out. My bad. Okay, so it comes with the classic cardstock in bubblegum pink. As y'all always know, I love their textured cardstock. It's a solid core, which I think is fantastic. You have the texture weave on one side, and it's almost a perfect smooth on the other, but you still see a little bit of the texture pattern. Then it also comes with ballet pink. So again, another texture weave. Then we have, I think it's this one. Then we have mirror card in rose platinum. And it's really hard to see it, but it is a really pretty rose gold pattern. So, color, not pattern. Then we have, where's it at? It says pearlescent cardstock is next, which is this one, and that is rusted crimson. I think it's a really pretty color. Yeah, depending on how the light hits it, it kind of has a pink hue to it, so really pretty. Then we have mirror card in petal pink, which I think is this one, and it has like a holographic, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a pink to it. We have specialty card in peach parfait. I think I'm missing something. We have glitter card in pink frosting. Like, this is really like pink, pinky pink, and it's got a little bit of translucent, so it's got a little bit of a color shift in it in the glitter. We have specialty card in sage roses, and I think this is really pretty. That one. And this must be the peach parfait, but it doesn't look peach to me, and it is full of hearts. So anyway, there is the cardstock for this collection. On to the stamps and dies. So all the kits always come in, the stamps and dies always come in one of these envelopes. And I think next kit will actually come with the folder. So every third kit, you get a binder that will hold 3 of these folders. So we have, I'm going to turn this over. We have this die set here. So we have our frame, These petals here make roses. And then this is a tag here. And this has, let me move this over. I believe there are 3 dies to this tag. Come on out. Yep. So you have this die here, which will cut a layer to go on top. And then this one goes on top of that for 3 layers on your tag. You have this word die that says special, and then you have your shadow die right there. This is your base die, or I call it the shadow die for your frame right here. And then we also have the shadow dies for Dream and Remember. So, and then we have more petals for more flowers. So those are the dies for this frame set. Then we have this stamp set, and we have so we have like the word remember, when, a day to remember, remember the good times, moments, friends, for someone, times, follow your, dream, together, remember the good times, a day to, times, moments, friends, remember the, together, for someone. Then we have times, a day to, so we have different fonts on here. Follow your, together, remember the, moments, friends, when, the good times, and for someone. So quite a few of these are repeats, but there's 3 different fonts on here. So those are your stamps. And then there's always the little sticker. This one says a crafty life is a happy life, and I always just stick them on the envelope because it kind of is a reminder of what is inside. So again, Rustic Rose, and this has the roses on it. So anywho, there's that. Now on to the included embellishments. So the 2 sample sizes that were sent, we have an embossing powder in Pearl Luster, and this will be enough to do a couple of embossings, but I think this is one that I'm definitely probably going to pick up in the full size. And then, sorry, it's been a long day. We have the sample pot in Sun-Kissed Copper. These are gilding flakes. Now, I do have this in the full size, and even this little pot is going to go a really, really long way. So don't let this size fool you. So there's that. Now, on to the full size. There's 4 in this particular set, but each kit has a random of any 2 of the 4. So I believe I think there's 2 glitters and sequins and confetti. And so my kit came with the pink posy pure sheen glitter. And then it came with the luminous lily pad hexagons in confetti. Like I said, there's also a sequin, and I think the other one is another glitter. So you have those. Then it came with some Nouveau Crystal drops in the color Heritage Rose, and I'm not sure that I have this one. So there's that. If you're interested, I know Tonic's got a drop sale going on. I think it's the whole month of September. So supposedly all their drops are marked down. I haven't paid attention because I have a lot of them, so I kind of have passed on that. And then I am so sorry for all the yawning. You'd think that I wouldn't be tired considering I got to sleep in this morning. And then we have the shimmer powders, and this is in Falling Leaves, and this acts like, why can't I think of the other brands? Because I have some. But basically, this works with water. It activates with water. You can either put the water down and sprinkle this, and then it kind of has this like color burst. That color bursts, that's what they are. There's another brand out there too. Anyway, or you can put this down and then mist it with a spray bottle, and or you can put it down, add water to it, and watercolor with them. You can do a lot with these shimmer powders, and I think I might have all of these now. I'm not positive, but these are a lot of fun to play with. If you get these, I think you're going to have a blast playing with these. So that is the Rustic Rose Tonic Craft Kit. This was the September. Like I said, I'm hoping that Tonic will post the October kit soon. I'm thinking, I don't know if it's going to be Halloween. I'm waiting for them to start popping out with some Christmas ones. So we'll see how that goes. But anywho, I hope y'all have a great day. Be sure to go check out the Tonic-Studios YouTube channel. And because you can always see the next kit about a month before they ship. And when you see them, I always suggest, if you like it, get that month, because they sell out, and once they're sold out, they're gone. They don't come back. The stamps and dies that comes in these kits are always exclusive to the kit. And then the other awesome thing about these kits is usually when they release a new color, the kit subscribers are the first ones to get product in that new color or new, say if it's a new product line, you'll get either a sample of it or, you know, something along that line. The kit subscribers get them first. So there is that. There is also, right now, they just launched it today, there is some new gift boxes. Now the bundle is a little pricey. The bundle is $105. But there's 3 different die sets, and they make completely different gift boxes, which I thought was pretty neat. I have ordered it, so I figure I might see it the end of the week. We'll see. I don't know. Or it might be early next week, but I don't think I placed any orders this weekend. I wasn't too thrilled with the weekender bundles, but anywho, with that, I'm going to let y'all go. I hope y'all have a fabulous day, a great rest of your week. And with that, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.